Hi lovelies, I am so happy to have you guys back on my channel. Make sure you click on that subscribe button before we move on. Today's video was sponsored by Ali UNice Hair, and they have decided to send me this headband wig in a water wave 14 inches. I'll be linking everything down below. Inside the box I had headbands, and I got this headband for the third time now. Ali UNice Hair have sale going on today, so make sure you guys check it out because this hair is basically about £56 to purchase. That is so cheap and it is so pretty. It comes with the clip ends and you also get an extra elastic band. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on. I have decided to crisscross the extra elastic band just so it fits in properly. And to be honest, I must say I really prefer the fact that it comes with an extra elastic band. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this. I really love the length. I love the fact that it's not too long. This is so easy going and it's so much easier to just like pop on and off you go. I feel like these headband wigs are basically just for people that are always in a rush. Can you guys just give me a moment? I was so hungry at this time. I've been filming the whole day without me even having time to eat or get something in my stomach. So at this point I just felt like, yo, I need to eat. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this black headband onto it to just see how it looks like, and it's looking pretty good. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and brush out the curls, and I must say I am actually loving how natural and how soft the curls are looking. Like, absolutely love this. This looks so natural. Like, I can't even explain how much I loved it when I brushed out the curls. It was looking so much like prettier for me. So I went ahead and added this other beautiful headband that I got from Ali UNice Hair, and to me this was such a cute look. The next style I want to try is a half up, half down. You guys know I have to do this style because it is such a cute style and I feel like it goes with any outfit. And if you're running an errand, I feel like this is a look. Let us switch up that headband and try a different style. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this, and I'm thinking at this point I just want to try maybe something to put it on the side, and I really love this as well, you guys. I mean, just look at this. So pretty, so cute. So the next style I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be wetting this hair. I'm just spraying some water. So in my water bottle spray, I've got conditioner, a leave-in conditioner into it, and some water, and that's what I'm using to apply onto the hair and just detangling it with a brush. And you can see how the curl patterns just comes out. I feel like this just makes it so much prettier. I'm gonna also add some curling milk onto it, and this is also just gonna help revive the curls and activate it so it stays just the way it is. This wet look is also really nice. I feel like it just, you know, gives it more texture onto the hair. I also really love how soft Ali UNice hairs always are. This is the second wig that they have sent me, and I have been loving every single wig that they have sent. For me to do a collaboration for a second time obviously means that I love the hair. So next I'm gonna try this hairstyle with the scarf, and I feel like this hairstyle was also so cute. It's really easy. Just put the hair up in a bun, tie the scarf, and just leave the hair to drop on my face. Bam! So next I'm just gonna go ahead and use that exact same method with the scarf, but I'm gonna put the hair up in a bun. And at this point I am so tired, you guys. Like, putting my hand up to put these buns are so tiring. But anyway, I'm just gonna roll that extra hair and just put it up in a bun, and that's it. At this point, I try to make the bun a little bit smaller, like roll it a bit more tighter. So I just got this tiny little bun, but I mean, I wasn't a big fan of that, so I was just testing to see. I like playing around with my hair just to see what styles I can achieve to it, because sometimes you do something accidentally and it turns out to be so beautiful. This was also a very cute style. So next I'm gonna try to put my hair in a low ponytail as usual, and I know you guys are so tired of this scarf, but hey, I love my scarf and I just feel like it makes every single hairstyle so pretty, and I also love how versatile it is. So sorry. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and bring the wig forward, so I bring it all the way up to my forehead. And this is also really good for people that don't have any hair at all. If you're bald or if you got rasta or whatever it is, you can also do this with your headband wigs. So I'm just gonna bring it forward to my forehead, add the headband, and that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you click on the link down below in the description bar to check out Ali UNice hair. They've got sales going on right now on Aliexpress, so do not miss out. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye now.